Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. A little while back, a company called STARBOND contacted me by email and said, hey, we really like what you're doing with the channel over there and the stuff you're making and whatnot. Can we send you some of our glue for you to try out for nothing? And I said, damn right, you can send me some free glue. And my brain went just as quickly from yay free stuff to hey now, what are you up to, glue company? But it turns out that they weren't really up to anything. They're just trying to get the word out about their product, and they're willing to give some of it away to do so. And then I thought maybe that this was somebody pulling my chain. And then I got a box of glue in the mail. STARBOND sent me a bunch of free glue. So let's have a look at what they've sent me. We'll talk about where I might use whatever this is in context. And then at the end, we'll tell you about how you can both support the channel and what I'm doing here, as well as get a discount on some of this glue if you want to try it yourself. This is a box of free glue. First, I guess we have to open the box of free glue to see what they got. Maybe it's not actually glue at all. Maybe it's just packing material. And they're gonna be like, ah, idiot. Got you. We're about to find out. Let's get into it. Alright, so free STARBOND glue. Let's see what they have sent. And where I might use it and for what purpose. It is glue. It's not just packing material. All right, so what's this? We got the STARBOND Super Fast Thin with the separate. I like that. Comes with a backup tip for when your first one gets all gunked up with glue schmutz. All right, so super thin. This I'm probably going to use. Hold on. This I'm probably going to use in the same way that I'm currently using the 2P10 thin glue, which for me is mainly making a mess of your work surface because of how quickly it comes out, and then very quickly having to get stuff out of the glue so it's not glued to other things. But I'm sure there's some other ways to use super thin C8 glue as well. We got STARBOND medium thick, high performance black. That's gonna be super cool. I've never had a black super glue, but I sure could use it sometimes for like filling little cracks in dark woods like walnut, or little pin knot holes where you would normally maybe have to dye an epoxy or something if they're small cracks or knots. I think some black tinted CA glue would work really well there. Again, 2 tips. I have many tips now. What we got here? This will be the STARBOND medium. So it'll just be a thicker formulation of this guy. Which is probably where I will live most of the time when I'm using CA glue. I like a medium viscosity because it doesn't spooge out super fast and get all over all of your stuff. So you can control it a little bit better than thin. It stays put where you want it, but it's also not super thick, so you have to like really pound down on the what is it, the bottle? A bottle, I guess, is what it's called. You don't really have to crunch on the bottle to get it to actually flow out. That's probably where most people will want to live, is with the medium. What's this one? We got STARBOND brown medium thick. So this is the black, this is the brown. I'm not sure where I'm going to differentiate the use of these things, but it's cool that I've got a black and a brown. What's this here? And then we got the thick. That's the one that you're really going to have to reef down on to use. But I don't actually know. Maybe their thick isn't as thick as other people's thick. That's tough to say where I'm going to use it. I'm definitely going to live in the medium world. But there may be some times where you want a little more viscosity, a little less viscosity. What's the one where it's thicker? Viscous means thick or thin. I don't. Anyway, this one's thicker. That's why it says thick on it. And of course, we got ourselves the activator, which is not integral to using super glue, but it does speed things up a lot. You put some glue on this piece, and then your activator on this piece, and you jam them together, and then you hold it, and they're together. So, cool. I got thin, thick, medium, thick, brown, and medium thick black. I got 5 free super glues from STARBOND and an activator. That's fantastic. And a free box. Right on. Okay. So yeah, this is going to be, I'm going to be using this glue for the next little while to test it all out and see whether or not I am a fan. But let's have a sit back down and we'll tell you why I'm already a fan before even using it. So why am I already a fan of STARBOND glue products before I've even tried them? Because not too many companies out there are going to reach out to a little guy like me on YouTube with, at the time, I think I wasn't even at 3,000 subscribers on this channel. And they found me somehow and reached out to offer me some free glue. That's a company that I want to support. And that's a company that I think everybody should support. Because that's awesome. And I will let you know if the product sucks. I have a feeling the product probably does not suck, because STARBOND is the glue that Ben Crow at Crimson Guitars uses to make some of the world's best guitars. It's the glue that he stocks in his store to sell to other world-class luthiers. And there's a lot of people getting a lot of really good work done with STARBOND glue. So thank you very much, STARBOND, for reaching out and not being a joke, like a goof on me, and actually sending me a box of glue. And as I promised, for getting to this point in the video, I will tell you that I do have an affiliate link for STARBOND glue now. I am an official STARBOND affiliate. It sounds fancier than it is, really. Basically, they gave me a link that I can direct people to. I'll have it down in the description of the video. And if you click that link and then you order anything from STARBOND, I get a little percentage of that. And if you use the code MWTS10 when you go through that link, you get 10% off. I get a little bit of money to help me keep doing what I'm doing. And you get to try some probably really good glue. I mean, this is not going to be a structural glue. Let's get that out of the way. This is not a wood glue that you're going to use for attaching mortise and tenon joinery or dovetails. I mean, you probably could, but that's not how it's intended to be used. This is a cyanoacrylate glue. It's a super glue, and there are lots of places to use it in your work, but it's not going to replace all of your glues. So I'm going to be using this for the next little while in my projects where I normally would be using super glue, or maybe some places that I might not normally be using super glue, just to test out the STARBOND and see how far I can push it. But that's it for this one. Thank you very much, STARBOND. Thanks for anybody that goes to that link down below and orders themselves some glue with my discount code and my affiliate link. I got an affiliate. I'm an affiliate. They are not paying me anything. There's no contract. I was worried when they said, like, let us send you some free stuff. I was going to be like, oh, what do I have to sign? And what do I need to do? I don't need to do anything. I just need to use it and see if I like it. And If I like it, I can keep using it. If I don't, I can tell you that I don't like it. And I'm in no contractual obligation situation with STARBOND. But man, any company that wants to reach out to a little guy like me mucking around in his garage on YouTube to send them some free product, that's a good company in my book. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. I'm going to put some tips on some... Ooh, what's this? Hold on. There's little things in here that I missed. What are these little dealies? Oh, like little precision tips. Hold on. I'm not done the video. Oh, these are rad. Look at these. Look at this little precision nozzle tip thing. And there's like a bunch of them. Do they all have these? They all have these. Ooh. I like that very much. What's this? A little red bit. I don't know. Maybe there's some instructions. There's some instructions. Probably telling me what these little things are. I'm going to look at these. Anyway, you don't need to watch me read the instructions. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. I'm going to set up some glue bottles. Wonder if this is the type of glue you got to keep in the fridge so it doesn't go clumpy. Maybe I'll email them and ask. Because I don't know if you guys know, but I'm an affiliate with STARBOND. So maybe they'll return my emails. Free glue!